with me, amazing family. Let's prepare some yummy fruit juice for the weekend. Okay, so we are having coconut and pineapple. You know that yummy juice that you buy from the store that makes you want to drink more and more. Yes, that's what we want to prepare, but this time around with no added additive, with no added any form of artificial stuff. So I've gone ahead to pour in the coconut. I cut it in tiny bits so that my blender can blend it very well, and that is coconut water. You see that coconut water? Don't drink it, you need it. Okay, so pour it into the blender and blend it until it is very smooth. Okay, so I'll blend it right now until it's very smooth, and here it is well blended, and I will sieve it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, it's very smooth, and I'll pass it through a sifter. I will sieve it until the milk is out of it completely. So when I'm done, I'm not going to trash the pulp because I will use it to do something. Stick around, I will show you what I'll use it to do in my next video. So I've done that, and I'll be using the coconut water to blend the pineapple so that we'll not have to add any water in this combo. Okay, so I'll pour it back into the blender, and after that I'll add it bit by bit, like twice. I will use the first one to blend the pineapple that I've actually cut into tiny bits. So I'll cover it up and allow it to blend. How are you doing, my amazing family? Thank you so much for your support, and I do not take it for granted. God bless you, I love you. So I'll go ahead and blend it until it is smooth, and I'll add the second part of the coconut milk. So once I'm done, I'll cover it again and blend it until everything marries together. Yes, so once I'm done, I'll take it off from the blender and pass it through a sieve to make sure that the pulp is out. We're not doing smoothie, we are doing fruit juice. Okay, if it's smoothie you can leave it like that, but if it's fruit juice, you have to sieve it out to avoid the pulp. Okay, so I'll sieve it bit by bit and remove the chaff on every step. Okay, so like this is the first chaff I got out of it, and hola, I've done sieving it. So once I am done, I'll put it in a container. Okay, I bought this container for, I think, 1,600 or so. Yes, 1,600 for 6 bottles. So if you're buying like half of it, is 3,500. Okay, so you can easily buy it. But if you're using the 33cl, you can get like 6 to 7 bottles of this. But because this is 50cl, this is 50cl, so I got only 2.5. But if you're using 33cl, you can get like 6 bottles of this fruit juice, and I advise you use the 33cl or 35cl because of the kids, so that everyone can have one to themselves. You know that sometimes kids doesn't like to share, so it is better you buy smaller bottles so that everyone can have their own. And here it is ready. Okay, so I think you should always, you know, make your own fruit juice from home, because nothing is added. You will know what you're actually giving the kids, and you'll be sure of what goes down into their belly. So this is it. I just got 2.5 bottles from it, but if I use the smaller bottle, I'll get more than that. Thank you so much for listening. Bye. Do wait to subscribe.